Where to find NFC settings for your Samsung phone with Android 15 One UI 7.0. I'll show you where to find it, how to turn it on, as well as set the quick toggle for fast access. And let's go ahead and get started. So to see if your phone has it, just go into the quick access, tap on the settings toggle right here, then go to where it says connections right here. And once you're here, you'll see NFC and contactless payments. You can turn it on from here or go into it and turn it on from there, and you can make changes or apply NFC to what you want it to work for. So that's one way of doing it. Now in the future, if you want to have it as part of the quick toggles here in this area here, you will want to go ahead and press the edit icon right there, this one right here. And when you do the edit icon, you'll notice this area is now highlighted for editing. So when you tap here, you'll notice these toggles are going to show up down there as available toggles. And once you know your phone has NFC, there is a NFC toggle, which is right here. So you simply just tap on it one time. It's going to add it into the set of toggles in the quick access. And you can also choose to arrange the order that it appears in by long pressing it and then placing it to where you want it to be. And once you release it, it's going to stay there, and press done. Now with all that said and done, you can just simply back away or press done. And from here on now in the quick access, you should have NFC here. So a single tap will turn it off, single tap will turn it on, and you'll see this is going to show up as a prompt. And also a long press will take you into the main settings, like and so.